Hey guys, Jeff Tricoli again, and just wanted to talk about how these tariffs could be affecting and are already kind of affecting the housing market here in South Florida. So whether you're shopping for a new home or looking to do a remodel or some work on your home to get it sold, I think it's pretty important to kind of keep an eye on what's going on right now with all the tariffs. The National Association of Builders is already estimating about $10,000 more for materials to build homes now compared to what it was. So with all the tariffs already out there and then those just added recently, the cost of all materials are pretty much going up. And so how could that affect, whether buying or selling a home later? So a lot of the renovations we definitely want to talk about first, right? It may not make sense. Even the cost, a year ago, does it make sense to put that money into your home, and are you going to get it back out? And obviously that's becoming less and less likely with the cost of goods and materials going up, as well as a new construction home. Is that the right choice, in terms of the cost of that, and to build those homes, are going up as well. So as a buyer, maybe a resale is a little bit better value compared to the cost of all the material into a new construction. So if you're buying a home, expect higher prices in the future. So it may be better to buy sooner than wait until later, as more and more prices go up. If you're renovating, it may just make sense to just kind of hold off on it, and if you do plan on selling anytime soon. Now, if you're going to renovate and live in the home for 10 more years and get enjoyment out of that, then absolutely go for that and do it. And then just if you're a builder or contractor, securing the affordable materials, that sort of thing. So some of them we're seeing maybe looking to other resources, that sort of thing. We may see, I think the whole purpose of this is buying more from the US in our own country. So we may see, that kind of happening a little bit more often. I think the biggest thing is just working with an experienced real estate professional, whether you're a builder, a home seller, or a buyer. Having a really good real estate professional that knows the market, knows how to navigate through all these issues, and knows how to negotiate a fair deal for all parties is definitely the best option to go with. And so again, this is Jeff Tricoli with the Tricoli Real Estate team. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or renovate your home, give us a call, email us, and also don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a great day.